Hi guys, Foxy Diana here, and I'm going to review Sirens, episode 1 and 2 today. And warning, there may be spoilers. So, in episode 1, we find out that we have a mermaid, who's definitely not what you typically expect of a mermaid. In fact, she's quite the opposite. One to be messed with and a deadly force. However, there is an innocence to her, and also a predator-likeness. This predator-likeness could be considered more like a piranha. And we find that out through episode 1 when the mermaid expert explains to the main character about how whenever the mermaid is in water, she sees him as prey. And she reminds him of the scratch marks that he gets upon his neck. Leading into episode 2, we find out even more about the mermaid. And the fact that she is missing from another mermaid, and the reason she came to land to begin with is the fact that she's searching for this other mermaid. And there's one really awesome scene that I really fell in love with. And this scene is the scene that she finds the Frozen book, and the mermaid expert explains to her that the two girls in the book are sisters, and then she goes on to say sister. So we find out that the other mermaid is her sister, and then she's looking for the mermaid because it's her sister. And the two of them have been separated. We also find out that the other mermaid has been kidnapped by the government or a secret organization. It's still to be confirmed which it is. And they create this device that amplifies the voice of the mermaid, and therefore she assumes that the device is her sister, and they have to pry the device away from her because they have to explain to her that it's just a device. We also learn, reference back to episode 1, that she's able to learn just human speak, kind of like a child, by just watching the children cartoons that she viewed, and by listening to the human speeches. Overall, I give this series a 4 so far, and I really encourage you to watch it.